Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new lesson, lesson number 11, Sunita in Space. Now, children, have you ever seen a globe? It is called the model of the Earth. And we use this globe to study about our planet Earth. Our Earth looks like this globe. And many pictures taken from the space shows that the Earth is circular in shape. हमारा अर्थ गोल आकार का है. And what is the actual shape of the earth? The shape of the earth is neither flat nor sphere. ना तो वो flat है और ना ही वो spherical shape का है. It is slightly flattened at the poles. North pole, south pole. There are two poles on the earth और poles से वो flat है. Thus it has curved shape. Okay. Now since the earth is so big that we cannot make out that the earth is round in shape, so what do we feel? We feel that we are walking on a flat surface. हम flat surface पे चल रहे हैं, हमें ऐसा ही लगता है. Now have you ever thought if the earth is round, then why we don't fall off from the earth? Or why the sea water does not fall off? Or why the ball that we throw upwards always fall down? Children, there is something on the earth that helps us to stay on the earth. The earth has a strong pull which is called gravitational force. The earth's gravitational force attracts everything towards its center. जो earth का gravitational force है वो हर चीज को अपनी तरफ attract करता है. And this is the reason we do not fall off. इसलिए हम नहीं गिरते अर्थ से. Okay. Now what do you see if you look up in the sky? We see stars, moon at night, and we also see sun during daytime, isn't it? But the sky you see from the earth is actually space, which includes sun, moon, planet Earth, then other planets, then shooting stars which are called meteors, and together they are called universe. Okay. Now going to space means going away from the earth. Space में जाना मतलब earth को छोड़ के जाना. ठीक है. Many people have gone to space. They have also gone on the moon. And why they have gone? To explore things, to do research work, to expand the technology. Now let's see some of them. Number 1, Yuri Gagarin. He was the first man to go into space on 12th April 1961. सबसे पहला स्पेस में जाने वाला कौन था? यूरी गैगरिन. And when did he go? 12th April 1961. Then Neil Armstrong. He was the first man to step on the surface of the moon. Moon पे जाने वाला सबसे पहला कौन था? Neil Armstrong. And when did he step on the surface of the moon? 21st July 1969. Then squadron leader Rakesh Sharma. He was the first Indian to go to space. India से सबसे पहले space में जाने वाला कौन था? Squadron leader Rakesh Sharma. And when did he go? On 2nd April 1984. Then Sunita Williams set a new record for the longest space flight by a woman. सबसे जो लंबा रिकॉर्ड था वहाँ पर रहने का स्पेस में. And that too by a woman was, the record was created by Sunita Williams. And how much time she spent in space? She spent more than 6 months in space. Okay. Now, people who have gone to space, they say that when we look at the earth from the space, we see only land and water, blue water on the earth. Okay, we do not see any lines on this earth. These lines are these are man-made divisions. Okay, and these divisions are of countries, continents. These are made by man and they are made on paper or on the globe. Okay, these lines in the mind of man, they are not on the earth. Okay children, I hope you have understood this. So children, we learned about shape of the earth, its gravitational force, and also about the people who went out of the earth to space. Now watch this video and do task 1 in copy. Okay.